pimples. I'm cutting beef. Kasi wala kaming beef. Gagawin ko siyang steak. So, ang hirap naman ito. Bahala na kung ano. Tabi-tabi mo. Pero napakaganda pong ano nito. Yung part ng beef. Yes.
They're wondering if someone can have a steak and Atlantic salmon.
Atlantic salmon. Yeah, sure.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
Who are they?
I don't know. I don't know photographs.
Okay. I just wanna show it to them how I cut this one. I don't know if I did it right. Huh? So I need two. I'm cutting. So these are the two beef that I cut. Put it there. And this one I give it back to him. I do it.
Ate, how do you eat the garlic bread?
How do I eat the garlic bread? You have to bake it a little bit.
Like 1 or 2 minutes is okay to heat up.
Yeah. Because that one is frozen.
I put it to the one.
Yeah. Yeah. So I'm going to cut some again. So do you wanna give it like that as is? You have to heat up a little bit. Heat up.
Like this
Yeah. Heat up. If you want it, you can cut it or give it like that. Salmon for life. Cut lang ng cut. Para maluto na. Para naman siyang precise na. Nakuha na lang natin. Kaya, kung hindi na matalim-talim yung kutsilyo mo, try. So, thank you so much. Like and subscribe. Have a good day po.